Hello beauties, this is Favorn Method. Today I'm back with another makeup tutorial. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So I'm going to start with brushing my brows using an old mascara brush and then add some soap in order to make the brows look natural. Then if you don't have it, you can use a toothbrush. With the brows, I use a black eye pencil, but if you are a beginner, I would advise you to use a brown one. Then if you're drawing the brows, make sure that you start from the inner corner going to the outer corner, as you can see. And please be gentle while doing this, don't crush, okay? Then I went on and used the same eye pencil to work on the upper part of the brow, and make sure that you follow the shape. Don't draw a curve. And then go on and use the same eye pencil in order to fill in the spaces. And yeah, that's how my brows look like after working on them. And then to clean the brows, I went on with a flat brush and the concealer from the Articas. That's how it looks like. And then if you make sure that you put the concealer on both sides, you get? By then it will be easier when blending. Then while cleaning the brows using the concealer, start from the area near the inner corner going to the outer corner. And then blend by changing to the other side of the brush and then pat. Then I'm going to go on with the BB Plus foundation to work on the inner corner, cause by then it will be easily blended in. Then I'll use the same foundation on the upper part of the brows. And the reason as to why I used foundation of my shade at the upper part of the brow, it's because it matches my skin and so it will be easily be blended in. I'm going to go on with my eyeshadow brush in order to remove the excess foundation and concealer. Now it's time to create an eyeshadow base. I applied some concealer and then blended it in using my eyeshadow brush. I went on with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder and then spreaded it on the lids. I'm going to use that shade from the Full Face eyeshadow tray as my transitional shade, and I used a small brush in order to apply that shade on near the crease area, okay? And to blend everything very well, I went on with that shade. I used another small brush and applied some concealer in order to create a cut crease. On the cut crease area, I'm going to go on with that gold shade. Then I'm going to go on with my first shade in order to blend well. In order to line the eyes, I'm going to go on with my eyeliner and draw something like a wing. On with my mascara, it's called Kaylee, in order to remove any eyeshadow particles. Now it's time for the face, and I'm going to clean it using the wipes and then apply primer from the Final Love Master Prime. And when applying the primer, just tap in order for it to absorb in the skin. Then I went on with my BB Plus foundation in shade number 3 and used a beauty blender to blend it into the skin. We'll go on with the foundation brush. In order to highlight the T-zone area, I'm going to use the Atticus concealer. Then use the same beauty blender but choosing another side of it. To prevent harsh lines, I'm going to blend the concealer and the foundation using a foundation brush. Apply powder, I'm going to use this powder palette and go on with that shade on my T-zone area. Go on with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder in order to bake. With contouring, I'm going to go on with that shade. Then with contouring, make sure that you focus on the downer part of your cheeks plus the upper part near the forehead. Then I'm going to go on with that small brush in order to contour the nose. I'll go on with another small brush in order to remove the excess setting powder. Then go on with that shade that is close to my skin color in order to blend everything very well. Setting, I'm going to go on with the LA Girl setting spray. Leave it to dry for some time. With the highlighter, I'm going to use the Favorn Vivid bronzer highlighter on the cheeks, on the forehead, on the nose, and other parts you're going to see. With the lips, I'm going to go on with those two shades, that's maroon and nude. With lining the lips, I'm going to start with the maroon shade. Then blend it with the nude shade in the middle of the lips. Beauties, that's the final look. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye.